If you're having trouble signing into Yahoo Mail, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple fix step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. Whether you forgot your password, your login is not working, or Yahoo is asking for verification, this guide will help you recover access the right way. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to the Yahoo Mail login page in your browser. Once the page loads, enter the email address for the Yahoo account you're trying to access. Make sure you type it carefully, because even a small typo can stop the login process. After that, click Next. If you can't get in, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the first recovery step Yahoo provides when your password is not working or you can't remember it. Yahoo will then guide you through account recovery options. Next, choose the phone or email verification method that's available for your account. This may be a recovery phone number or a recovery email address that you previously added to your Yahoo account. Yahoo will send you a verification code to confirm it's really you. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on the screen. Be sure to type the code exactly as shown and do it before it expires, because these codes are usually time sensitive. If the code is correct, Yahoo will let you move on to the password reset page. Now create a new password for your Yahoo Mail account. Try to make it strong and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. After entering the new password, click Continue. At this point, Yahoo should update your account credentials and allow you to sign in again with your new password. Go back to the login page, enter your email address and a new password, and check whether the problem is solved. In many cases, this completely fixes the Yahoo Mail login issue. If you still can't log in, double check that your internet connection is stable, your keyboard isn't on caps lock, and your recovery information is up to date. You may also want to clear your browser cache, or try signing in from a different browser or device, since browser issues can sometimes interfere with the login page. Another helpful tip is to make sure you're using the correct Yahoo account. If you have multiple email addresses, it's easy to mix them up. Confirm that you're entering the exact email tied to your Yahoo Mail account before starting the recovery process again. Once you're back in, take a moment to review your account security settings and update your recovery phone number and recovery email if needed. That way, if you ever have this problem again, account recovery will be much easier. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix a Yahoo Mail login problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.